So I videoed this griddle before and I wanted to do it again because we've been using it for a few weeks now and it is the best thing. So I wanted to really quick turn it on and show you how hot it gets fast, because sometimes it gets used and then doesn't get cleaned by, you know, a certain someone. So when I go to clean it, I'm like, oh, I have to turn it on. It's easier to wipe. But when I do it, it takes seconds to get hot. So watch this. So the best way for me to show you how hot it is from off with a wet paper towel is I'm going to turn it on and give it just a few seconds. It's clean, obviously, but the wet paper towel should, you know, in theory, sizzle, 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 sizzle. It's already hot. I would not want to touch this with my bare hands. Thing I wanted to show is the lightness, how light it is. Super, super light and easy to carry around if you wanted to just, you know, take it somewhere where camping, maybe to plug it in real quick and use it for camping, or anywhere where you need some portable way to cook. This would be a great option for that as well.